Hey Glam Fam, happy Tuesday. I wanted to come on real quick and share something new that we have at the spa. A lot of you don't know about it. It's called body repair. And this stuff is simply amazing. It's like skincare for your body. As you know, many of us have sun damage on our face, on our body, on our neck, and it shows up through freckling. Anyways, this is like skincare for the body. It's actually like anti-aging for the body. I've been using it every day when I get out of the shower. It's really nice. It's light. You want to use it from your neck to your toes. It has the DNA technology that actually helps stop the photoaging from coming to the surface. So that's all you had to tell me was anti-aging, turning back the clock for your body. So it's called Neova Body Repair. You can go on our website and see it. I'm also promoting a Beauty with Judy channel. If you'd go over and like that page on Facebook, I'd really appreciate it. If you mention that and purchase from that link, you're going to get 3 bonus samples with the total body repair. So don't walk, run, get this. You're going to love it, I promise.